Hello everyone, today I will show you a proof that Labo 1.3.0 doesn't work. So, you may already be noticing that all the photos, you're already noticing that there's a folder missing, right? Well, that's actually called the assets folder. Yeah, that folder where all the assets get stored. So yeah, that's what's missing from the thing. So to prove it to you, I'm gonna be downloading the install Windows.bat. Well, that's retarded. That's just retarded. Because I want to be installing Windows Batch. Plus, I don't even get why we do this anyway. So what we're gonna try to do is get hold on, let's try downloading the source. Maybe it should work. Does the same thing, yep, it definitely does. But yeah, the good thing is we have code, so we can grab that. Show you what we install. Oh, I know. Yeah, we will clone this. So yeah, we'll copy that. And then, stupid trick. That's how you get Wapper without having admin rights now. You just do that, and then... Yep, definitely figured that would happen, so... I don't know what now. But yeah, the folder's pretty much empty, so there's no point in trying to retrieve it. Yeah, it's a good thing I created an installer which you do not need admin rights. It's a good thing I created that. you can see now that Wrapper 1.3.0 is now installed. Now, when we go into it, yeah, it wants me to show you proof. I have to turn on verbose mode, and then, because I don't have Amazon, I need to turn off checking dependencies. So yeah, I have to turn that off. So that way my computer does not check for any admin stuff. Instead, just proceed to the start. So yeah, I'll show you right now. Builds the npm. Cannot find module, no.zip. And yes guys, I know how to fix that. So what I did is I went to my wrapper. Go into that. And then just copy that down. And then do npm install. And that installs all the dependencies on it. Yep, when I try to install, it comes up with errors. Yeah, I know how to install the npm, but for some reason it's not like doing what I wanted to do. Formidable 1.2.6 at v2 or at v3. Let's try that. I don't even get on why people do this, but let's try that. Yep, so far this is proof that Wrapper isn't even installed, especially on when you do npm install. Yeah, I know the reason, I know the culprit. Sparksy decided to delete the package walk.json which caused some problems. And that caused all kinds of issues. Say if that's the case. Revision. Go take the original package walk from revision, copy that, and then paste it into a new document. Yeah, this is pretty much my proof there. Also, at the same time, how to repair the problem. Pretty much. Yep, I'm just doing new item. Spark, you are so adorted. Let me just show you why this is happening. Package walk dot JSON. Got that in. Now let's try npm install again. Maybe then we'll have more info of who the culprit is. Yep. Oh man, Sparksy, you're so adorable. Yep, I knew it. That's the ultra cause of the npm not installing. That's the cause. Oh man, I cannot believe you could be so adorable to delete the package walk .json off of WAP-offline 1.3.0. That is so funny. Let's try npm start. Database doesn't exist. Creating. And WAP-offline started. It's pretty much prepared now. So there you go, I got WAP-offline 1.3.0. But this is just first time proof for anyone. Yeah, this is just first time proof. Get away, stupidly drawn, get away! No one wants to. Can't believe you. Oh man, Sparky's definitely stole. Yeah, hold on. Let me check first to see if that's our logo stolen or not. Let me check. Okay. Just that for some reason it's not cooperating with me. Don't know why. But nobody definitely stole our logo, which is good. Nobody definitely stole our fashion. Like, man, I cannot believe that Spoxy can be so retarded to delete the package log which installs the npm. Wow. He's trying to break our app, but he's definitely trying to break it. I can definitely tell just by looking at it. Hold on a minute. Let's get rid of this, and then what the no? What the? What's? Hold on. I think I know why it's not working. Yeah, we need to do localhost. 4664, and then grant access to the server, and boom. Yeah, localhost 4664 is completely safe. Sometimes it just doesn't want to unlock, that's all. Sometimes it just wants to be unprotected. Well, actually, it is protected. It's a private server. So I have no idea why it wants to give me a warning. But there we go. We pretty much got Commie World and all that stuff working on it. I'm just testing out a few things, that's all. Hey folks, we are testing out the voice recorder on the LVM, so please enjoy. Yep. That thing is definitely, yeah, hold on, let me check the npm to see if something broke and got grounded. Oof. It does save, except error saving sound, error spawn rain, and innocent. Oof. Yeah, that's what, yeah. He tried, he definitely tried. I can give him at least a good job of that, because, yeah, at least all the things work. At least everything works. So yeah, folks, you pretty much know that this is first time proof, and the second time, if it's still receiving this proof error, then pretty much how to fix it. Repair it. All because Sparksy decided to delete the package log which installs all dependencies. So, and your library broke. Oh my god, your library broke. Oh man, what have you done? What have you done? So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next video. Peace out now.